Want to add some fun to your videos in the Windows Photo app? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to add the slow motion effect to your videos. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. We've also done some other videos on how to up your Windows Photo app video making game, and we will link to those as well. Start by finding the video you're after. Then, right-click on it and select Open With. Go to Photos. After the photo app opens, go to the three dots in the drop-down menu. Go to the Edit More and click on Add Slow-Mo. In the next screen, just extend the brackets to where you want the slow motion speed. You can also adjust the speed. Then click on Save when you're finished. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.